What it do, all you lovely little boos? Yes, I am listening to Celine Dion as I'm making breakfast. And here's my conundrum with breakfast today. This at one point was a non-stick pan, but thanks to my lovely children, who I said, do not put it in the dishwasher, they did. And now I can't remember when or how that ever did stick. So I'm going to banish every memory of that not being a non-stick pan, because now it's not. So all I can say is, when I touch it like this, and it holds me like that, I just have to admit, it's not a non-stick pan. Beautiful.